Alright, you guys, we are going on a tour. We have come to the Bluebell factory. We're going on a tour of it. Audrey Bear, look! Grayson, look, it's all ice cream scoops. And that's what the old ice cream cartons look like. I know. Kids, was that fun?
I don't know, but I had pretty much a lot of fun.
Audrey just seriously whipped down a bunch of ice cream. She was like so happy. Look how cute this place is. This is after the tour. You aren't allowed to film on the tour. So, and after you're done with the tour, you get ice cream.
Every day. Yeah, big fruit bars over there.
Alright, you guys, I'm shopping right now. So how cute is this? It's by AB Studio. It's so cute. I'm talking quietly because I don't want to creep people out. Alright, I'm done shopping. It was nice. Got the shirts for me and some stuff for Sophie. It's really fun to shop for the girls, I'm not gonna lie. And then I don't want to buy a lot because I'm still, you know, don't want to be the weight I'm at, so I'm working on it, and it's like I'm slowly losing weight. I'm so bored of like the 5 shirts I have that I feel like I look okay in. So I just went to Kohl's because I could get several shirts that I have more of a wardrobe option for the next couple months without spending a ton of money. So I will feel better. Yeah, so that's what I was doing. I actually have a ton of work to do tonight. So I need an oil change soon, so it beeped at me. I was like, what the heck? I'm like way behind on the daily vlogs, and I've got videos for our main channel, and then I also am doing the social media for a local business. So I've got to get everything set up for them. And it's just like, ugh. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I will talk to everyone later.